Alright, what's going on everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on is I'm right now doing a mystery box. Some dude sent me something right here, and hopefully we get some good stuff in it. I'm looking forward to it, and shout out to 414 Heat. That was the dude who got me this mystery box. Really good deal. It's kind of just a package, as you can tell. It's not like an actual box, but we're gonna be doing this in this video, and hopefully I get some nice stuff, because you know I've been looking forward to this one for a couple days. He just sent this to me, and it's already here, so shout out to him for the fast shipping. I appreciate that. But I'm pretty much gonna get straight into this video, so I hope you guys will enjoy the mystery box. You want more content like this, go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like. Let's try and hit 106 likes in this video, and I'll try and get another mystery box to you guys ASAP. I promise on that. I try and do as many of these as I can, and especially since I've been reselling more recently, y'all are gonna see a lot more unboxings on the channel coming soon, because I've been going really hard with my reselling, and I'm really about to get up there, I feel like, with my money, and hopefully I'll be able to do a lot more mystery boxes and unboxings like this, just as kind of going over my week as a reseller. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Pretty much all I gotta say. You can check me out on Instagram in the description also. It's also popped up on the bottom, hopefully. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. So I'm Tristan, and let's go. Alright, so I don't really need a knife or anything to open this, so we're just gonna open it right here. So it's pretty simple. I mean, I can literally just fold it open like this. So as you can see, the pack is open, and y'all can see everything in there, you know, everything in there. All right, so let's see what we got first. So first up, oh, yo, no way. All right, hold up. All right, I originally was just getting this, but he threw it in with it. So right here, we got the Supreme CDG box logo. Y'all knew about this. I think, because I posted this on my reselling page, but here's the box logo. So I got the box logo in the mystery box right here. So we got a BOGO. That's already a dub in itself. So right here, we got the Supreme CDG split box logo, T size medium, great condition as you guys can tell, and I'm very excited about this one. This is sick, and yeah, we got a box logo. I haven't seen one of these BOGO boys in a minute, but here we go. We just got the split one. I remember when people were arguing about whether this is a box logo or not, but shoot, I got it in the mystery box, so I'm gonna count it as one, and for sure, I'm gonna count this as a mystery box. A shout out to him for putting it in the plastic bag too. Like, that's very formal, so thank you. But yeah, we got the Supreme CDG black split box logo. It's a size large. I remember posting about this. I already sold this item because it was a size large. Your boy wouldn't be able to fit it, or no, I would. I'm getting up there in height. You know, I'm about like 5'11", about to be like 6 foot, probably, maybe. We'll see if we hit 6 foot, gang. I'll let you know. But we right now got the Supreme CDG split BOGO front details, and on the back, on the bottom side, you guys can see right here that we got the little Comme de Garçon shirt, you know, Comme de Garçon, you know, however you pronounce it, Comme de Garçon, or something like that. That was actually pretty good. That was pretty good. Hey, any of my French people, did I kill that pronunciation? Let me know. Let me know in the comments if I killed that, or if I just completely missed. But yeah, right here, Supreme CDG split BOGO. Super hyped about this, and yeah, we got a box to start with this mystery box. So let's see what else we got. Hopefully we get some heat. So yeah, right here we already got one heater. This one goes crazy, so that's definitely a dub, I feel like. And then what else we got? So it looks like we definitely still have some more stuff in here. I mean, you can still see it's kind of still got room in it. So the second thing we got, okay, and it looks like, yeah, after this is it. And this one's really good too. Hold up. This one's awesome. Okay, so this was definitely worth the money. Shout out 414 Heat. He made an amazing mystery box right here. We got the Supreme CDG Spring Summer 18 shoulder bag, and this is in the red colorway. So that's pretty solid for this right here. I think we got something. Hold up. He's trying to... Y'all hear that? There's something inside this. We're not done after this, but right here we got the bag, and this is dope as anything. Okay, so and it's not the it wasn't just the strap, but right here we got the waist bag or shoulder bag. This bag goes hard. I mess with this, dude. This might be a keeper. Nah, I gotta stay in my reselling. I'll get it later, but this is fire as anything. Super hyped about getting this, and as you can see, you got like the BOGO right there on it, and then basically you guys can check out the strap on this too. This is one of the most popular shoulder bags I feel like they've made in the last couple years. People remember this one. Whenever you think of a HYPEBEAST, people are like, oh, is that the Supreme shoulder bag like this one? It's like, yeah, but fire. I'm super stoked about this, and I feel like there's more stuff inside here. So I don't think we're done, and this is already worth my money. So like, shout out this man. Oh my God. And look what we got here. Holy crap, look what he put in here inside for me. We got a Juice WRLD Death Race for Love CD. So this was Juice's last album, basically, before he passed away, and he sent me this. So this is cool. This isn't even Hypebeast related, but this is just something cool. I mean, obviously, R.I.P. Juice. I'm gonna be honest. I was not a big listener to his music. Some of my friends were, and they listened to his music heavily, so they know about him. But this album definitely had some bangers on it that we know pretty well. So shout out him for sending me this. This is something I didn't expect, but hey, that's what I love about the mystery boxes. You don't know what to expect, and we got a lot of fire. And there's also another thing in here. Ooh, and this might be good. This could be nice. All right, so it's just coming right here, as you can see in the little box right here. So let's see what we got. I think this is a keychain box. I think this is a keychain box, because I think I read it off the back. But okay, here's another great one right here. We got the Hellraiser keychain from Supreme and the Hellraiser collaboration. As you guys can tell, this one is dope as anything. Like, you got the spikes all over it and everything, and I think that's super sick. So shout out 414 Heat for this one too. Again, this isn't a sponsored video, by the way. I paid for this fully. You can ask him. I paid for every dime of this. So shout out to him. I mean, we got a couple random things right here. Like, obviously this is Hypebeast related, you know, we got Supreme keychain, but this one's super cool. I'm glad that we just have something different here with the Death Race for Love CD. This one is super sick. Shout out to him for sending me this. I didn't expect it, but I'm glad that I get something unexpected in there, so shout out to him for this. So now I'll go with my Street Gossip, Lil Baby's last album, so that's pretty cool. But hopefully Lil Baby doesn't pass away. That would be, ooh, that'd be a hard day for Tristan Wick right there, I'll tell you that. But basically everything we got, these two, and then we also got this one, which is going to be for sale on my reselling page in the description. So if you guys want to go, this one probably too, the keychain. So if you guys are interested in any of these, just go check out my reselling Instagram in the description. But we also got this bag, and then finally, we got the Supreme CDG split box logo, and this one is probably the craziest one. I mean, we got a whole box logo in the mystery box, so shout out 414 Heat for that. This one's pretty cool that I was able to make this video, and I didn't expect to get the whole shoulder bag, but like, shoot, this one's crazy, and I'm really glad that I got it, so shout out him for this. This one is super dope. And yeah, you know, I guess I wasn't expecting it, but expect the unexpected, because this one is sick. Definitely going to be able to sell this for good money, so shout out him for the deal. And yeah, you know, another little shoulder bag I have. Gonna have to sell it, even though as much as I love this, I love this item right here. Like, this one is so sick. As much as I love it, I'm still gonna have to sell it. Probably not gonna even keep it for that long. I'll probably be shipping it out tomorrow. That's pretty much all I gotta say from the mystery box. We got a ton of heat, ton of dope stuff, some random stuff, but definitely worth the $300 in my opinion. Just let me know if you guys think it was, or if it was right even. If you thought it was pretty even, then let me know. But I think we got some pretty good stuff that definitely made some good money there. So shout out to 414 Heat for the dope ass mystery box. And yeah, let's roll that outro. I was about to end the video like that, but I realized, you know who told me? My cat told me, like, bro, we ain't even have an outro going, bro. Like, we're too busy shipping the packs. Like, we don't even got an outro, bro. You know what I mean? Oh! But I hope y'all did enjoy this video. If y'all want more mystery boxes, then please go ahead and subscribe below. And also drop a like in this video. Don't forget, we're trying to hit 106 likes for another one. So be sure you guys do that. I'm going to be bringing y'all a lot of unboxings and different content like that since I've been reselling hard. I've been getting that money. I've been getting to the bag. So, you know, we're going to be doing more fun unboxings. I'll show you all what I get, like cool stuff from reselling and all that. I promise you all, like, I'm really working hard for this. Like, in the next month and a half, I want to, like, be able to get shoes beforehand and, like, buy backdoor sneakers. So, a lot of stuff coming soon. Just stay tuned for on the Tristan Wick channel, you know, because we got big stuff coming soon. So, follow my Instagrams in the description. It'll be all linked there, and I appreciate all you. And I don't know what's going on in my hair, but we're going to ignore that and just say I hope y'all did enjoy. And that's it. I'm Tristan, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace!